DYU. Gonna have the waves behind me making a lot of noise, so hopefully you guys can hear me. Only thing you gotta do is put on the seat. You got pedals, you got a fender light, you got the rear view light, you got your seat right there. Okay, here's what's in the box, guys. You got your owner's manual. You got a couple of pedals. Remember, guys, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. You got a nice little toolkit kit. You got the AC power supply. Stick to work. Just come up like this. Got a little lock right here. That's it, guys. Pretty simple. Righty-tighty. Lefty-loosey. Pedals. Right, left. Okay, let's put the seat on. Got a little self-tightening bracket right here, as normal, guys. Go. We got a couple screws right here. We got to tighten these up, put the fender on. All right, let's put this tail light on, guys. You can't see this, but charging ports all the way down onto here. Pull that little flippy dibby ding out, throw your AC power supply in there, charge that baby right up. Here you go, guys. DYU C3 14. Go over some of the basic information, guys. Obviously, you know it's a DYU e-bike. It's 49 by 19 by 40 inches when it's expanded. When it's folded, it's 50 by 8 by 24 inches. Said it weighs about 44 pounds. Nominal load on this thing is 170 pounds. So you big guys, sorry, this is gonna have to pass on that one. Maximum design speed on this thing is 15 miles an hour, guys. 15 miles an hour. And they say that the range with the throttle is up to about 13 miles, 15 miles. And then if you pedal assist, meaning you're pedaling at the same time, which you probably want to do for the good exercise, you get up to about 20 miles. But you know what? I'll be the decision on that thing. Suitable for pavement only, guy. This isn't an off-road unit, so just be careful on that. It's a lithium ion battery on this thing, guys. It's 279 watt hours, and the charging time on this thing I think is 3 to 4 hours. It's a 36 volt battery. The motor is a permanent magnet motor. It's a 350 watt 310 38 volt motor. The charger itself is a 240 volt AC charger, 42 volt, 1.5 amps, and the controller under the voltage is about 31 volts. So overcurrent value is about 15. So there's your specs on the DYU, guys. Tires, by the way, the tires, guys, those are 14 by 2 tires, and the front and the rear disc brakes. We know about that. So there you go, the specs. Let's take this thing for a ride. Man, this thing rides comfortable, guys. Come on. You kidding me? Look at this. I'm telling you what, it rides almost like a regular sized bike, but it picks up. I'm going about 15 miles an hour right now. I don't hear the motor. I don't hear anything, guys. It's just a cool little kick around bike. I don't know if you guys could see me. Hopefully you can. I'm not bouncing around too much with this body camera that I got on. Got your little bell right here. Got your power button right there. You got your multi-purpose button right here. Check out the 1, 2, 3 bars of power you got. You got a little reflector right here. You got to tighten all that stuff down. Right brake, left brake, and then you got your throttle, guys. I'm hitting the throttle right now. Throttle only, and I'm just zooming away, baby. Oh yeah, check out the ocean, guys. The sun is coming out. Oh yeah, let's take the U-turn here. Oh, look at that ocean. That is beautiful, my God. Can't go wrong, guys. Got a couple of guys fishing out there. Palm trees are kicking. All right, let's get going. We want to maintain a good safe speed on these roads here. All these people running around. Very comfortable, guys. DYU. I've done a bunch of e-bikes and I haven't done any of these mini bikes because I had one a while back and wasn't too happy about it. So I never really did any. I didn't approve any, reviews or send me any of these. But this one I wanted to see because a friend of mine in another location I drove one of these around, and I mean, I'm sitting here, throttle only, just cruising. These are perfect bikes. These little bikes got a 250 watt motor, guys, and you don't hear the motor at all. And one of the reasons it's so cheap is because the battery size and the motor size is reduced, so somebody can afford something like this. These are a great Christmas gift, guys. This is you and her on the road, especially all those new city paths. These are perfect bikes for those situations. Where the city, they have those 10-mile paved roads. Perfect for that, guys. And if you don't use the throttle, you just pedal. I'm just zooming along on the pedal here, guys. Zooming along on the pedal. Yes, sirree. Just zooming along on the pedal. And I got the distance between the handlebars and my seat, guys, is perfect. I mean, you can always raise the seat on this thing so that you get a little better for the taller guys. But I don't recommend this bike for anybody over 6 feet. That is definite. Never mind under. I'm 5'9", and this is probably a perfect size for somebody 5'9", 5'9.5", those type of things. And I'm just zooming right along, guys. Got the bell here. Got to adjust the bell. Right? Got to adjust the bell. Oh, yeah. Tighten that down, guys. Tighten it down. Remember safety, guys. Helmets and shoes. Don't do as I do. Do as I say. Oh, yeah. We're just cruising right along, baby. I just love it, man. Love it when you got the big regular bikes. They're cool. I mean, for long distances. And some people are more comfortable with them. They feel safer. But you know what? This thing, I'm telling you, it's not the bars, the control. I mean, look at that. The control on this thing is fine. Let's check out the brakes. Oh, yeah, brakes are totally fine. Wow. Same thing with the throttle, guys. When you hit the throttle, it slowly gets you up to 15, 20 miles an hour. Slowly. That's pretty cool. I'll tell you, I like this bike. Oh yeah. Not an off-road bike, guys. Probably definitely something on the nice paved roads. Let's check out this campsite. Oh yeah, beautiful day. Sun finally came out. A little overcast still, but sun's out. Everybody enjoying the beach over there. Can't go wrong. Look at that. You got American flags all over the place, huh? Love that. I love it. Oh, look at this little guy just running around. Jesus. Wow. Flags running around up there. Nice setup he's got. You got this guy right here coming in and out. I think that was the guy earlier that was screeching and oof, hope he didn't damage anything on that. I love these campsites, guys. Beautiful place. Doheny State Beach, guys. That's where I'm at right now. And you got this guy pulling in, which is cool. Perfect guy. He knows what he's doing. There's nothing better than that. Somebody that knows what he's doing, that's for sure. Little host site right there. Sorry for the bouncing around, guys. Oh yeah, just moving right along.